Welcome to Aircon Solutions. Just going to show you a quick video about cleaning the return air filter. It's important to do this on a regular basis to ensure efficiency of your system. Without cleaning the filter, your system becomes blocked and airflow becomes restricted. And it's like trying to go for a run, breathe into a straw really, for your poor system. So it's just a case of every return air is still a little bit different. It's a case of trying to work out how it opens. This one here just opens up and it swings up. It's got a couple of keepers in the corners. It's just got a couple of keepers in the corners here. This filter I've already taken out and cleaned. So I'm just going to put it back in. Got the filter here. It has a smooth side and then it's got a recessed side on the other side. I don't know if you can quite see that, but we want to put the recessed side to the grill face so you're not rubbing the filter against the grill itself. Just slot that in, just gently pushing it back up. So it's important to check on your filter at least once every 3 months. This ensures efficiency of the system and reduces most of the common issues that we have on the air conditioning system. If it's failing to do so, we'll end up in poor performance, poor cooling, poor heating, ongoing issues, dirt getting through into the coil, which can cause blocking drains and so forth. So thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please leave a comment or like this page or this video. If you have any other questions, feel free to come to our website on airconsolutions.com.au and we'll be more than happy to help you. Look forward to seeing you soon.